Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Littlestarplans. Let's start with another plan with me using Mimi in the Wonderland in Hobonichi weeks. Last week I showed you we used it in the A6 planner and some of you did enjoy that video. There are different ways to use this kit, but today I'll be using a sticker box a little bit different to do a countdown, and you'll see later in this video. I start off taking all the date cover-ups and I tend to like to stick them on one hand. And do you guys ever do that? I feel like it's a common thing for planner girls like us. Next, I take bottom washi sticker, I stick them on the left and the right bottom page. And I also use these smaller boxes and I like to place them on the right page, so you can see that I'll take all the smaller boxes and stick them on the right. And these boxes, I will be using it to do a countdown. You can see that I also alternate different boxes from different colors and design. And I find it a little bit more attracting that way. So I designed this kit to be very flexible and very fit most people's need. It comes with a day cover-up, star checklist, washi stickers, some decor stickers, boxes, and also the this week habit tracker or meal plan tracker as well. So this is pretty neat kit that will be very utilized for different purposes. I cut the excess sticker and reuse it and paste it on the left page. You can see I occasionally reference back to another planner spread, and I like to make sure that I'm still within the same style. And just by looking at it, comparing to my other spreads, I felt like this week's design or plan with me wasn't as complete compared to previous week. But then again, you know, once in a while we'll get those days where the spreads looks empty or nothing's going on, and that's okay. And sometimes we just need that little break from planning and just, you know, take care of yourself. Next step, I take all of the stars checklists and stick them on the left page beside the days. And this way it'll be I can quickly write down all the to-do lists, and later on you'll see that some of the days are empty because I forgot what I'd done on that day. Here I use this week tracker and place it on the right hand page. I intend to use this for a meal plan tracker. I wrote all my meals for that week from Monday to Sunday. I am also referencing back to previous. Here I am writing down things I've done for each day. I'm using last year's Hobonichi freebie pen. I love this pen so much, it writes so well in the Hobonichi pages. Also note, I left some days empty, and it's okay to leave your days empty. You can always go back to decorate your spreads with more sticker, washi, or color markers. This will also give your other stationery opportunity to use them in your spreads. Alright, I'll speed up this video while I plan the rest of the spread. Stay till the end to see my newest design. I figured to include them in this video instead of creating a new separate video. Here we have it! I added the rest of the decor stickers all around my pages. I also added blue marker on the quote that states, "It's not about how we make mistakes, but how we correct them that defines us." I enjoy adding fun inspiration quotes in my Hobonichi weeks. I've been doing that for quite a while now and I enjoy it so far. Last but not least, here is my newest design. First, we have Mimi and her pizza. I reduced Mimi's size to be able to fit one more row of stickers and it fits really well. Second sheet, we have Nuku and its handy dandy housework tools. You can use these to track your home projects. Last design is Mimi and her bread. So yeah, these are all the new design. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!